AI is not here to push you out of your job. Instead, it is here to enhance your skills and abilities. Professionals who embrace AI tools will find themselves ahead of the game and more efficient. Consider how doctors use AI to analyze symptoms, allowing for more accurate diagnoses. Lawyers leverage AI to sift through vast amounts of legal data, honing their arguments with precision. Teachers utilize AI to personalize learning experiences, catering to each student's unique needs. Marketers tap into AI's capabilities to understand consumer behavior and craft compelling messages. AI amplifies human expertise, ensuring that the unique insights and judgments of professionals remain central. Envision a future where AI and human collaboration leads to breakthroughs in every industry. Preparing for this shift is crucial. Learning how to effectively use AI will set you apart. Don't let fear of job loss hold you back. Instead, adapt and thrive in this evolving landscape. Allegiance Educare offers career counseling to help you navigate these changes confidently. Join us to explore career options that align with your passions and skills in an AI-driven world. Choose a career path that excites you and learn how to harness AI to elevate your professional journey. Your future is bright with the right guidance and the right tools at your disposal. Empower yourself today to build a career that integrates technology and human touch.